Owning a company called Safety Solutions Academy would make it pretty clear that I'm involved in the business, in the firearms industry, to promote safety, to make it a safer environment for people to be able to participate in the shooting sports. And one of my frustrations as a business owner is trying to make the right decisions that won't harm my business in the future from a credit card processing standpoint and from other angles. And Operation Choke Point makes that something that I have to keep at the top of mind all the time, or I risk my business.
For more on Operation Choke Point, go to dailysignal.com.